What's up guys, how you doing? This is Home with Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're going to be cutting yet another patch. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Okay, so this time we're going to cut an actual leather patch like this one, but we're going to be using a different type of leather, and we're going to be using real leather. And this patch is going to go on a hat, so I'm going to put this one on a hat, just to kind of modify the hat or customize the hat in a different type of way. I'm using actual real leather, not that pleather stuff or the leatherette that they sell at JDS. Dang, I can't even talk today. But yeah, I'm gonna be using real leather. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be using the Camfive laser engraver slash cutter. Let me show you the model number. So there you go. That's what I'm gonna be using to cut the leather or the leather patch. So this is pretty cool. It's a very nice process. I'm gonna stick the camera inside the inside the laser so you guys can see the whole process, and then I'll come back and show you how we customize the hat. Okay, so hopefully the laser won't knock the camera down because it's sitting right at the edge of the laser bed. I actually had to cut a second one because the first one, I destroyed the first one because my settings were not correct and I burned it right there. But this one is just perfect. See that? And then this little deals right here will come off if I can get them off. But anyways, that's gonna be a little hole right there. You see it right there and there. And this one right here, if I leave it like that and knock that one out, I can use it as a keychain. See that? But this is gonna go on a hat, and that's gonna be for the rivets. Those small holes that you see right there, that one and that one, it's gonna be for rivets. Okay, so there you have it, guys. I mean, this thing looks awesome. Again, real leather. This is actually, I believe that leather is from the belly of the cow. So right there, I mean, this is really, really cool. And then all we gotta do is just get a hat, and like I said, you know, punch those small holes out and put a rivet. So let me get a hat, punch this out, and then I'll show you how to decorate it. Actually, I'm gonna use, I might use this one to decorate the hat, because this one right here, the reason why I use this one is because I can stain this one in any color that I want. So that's the reason why I cut the patch out of this one. But check it out, that thing is perfect. Can I get it to focus? Let me see, maybe if I get my face out of the way. Nope. Trust me, I can't get this thing to focus, but the side of it is cut perfectly. I mean, that thing is awesome. So I'm gonna put a stain on this one, and then we can modify the hat. That way you guys can see an actual hat. Actually, let me bring a hat. what we'll do is we just put it right there, put a couple of rivets, one there, one over here, and the hat will be done. That's what it will look like. Okay, so there you go. That's what the hat looks like with the what do you call it, with the leather patch. I think I got it kind of crooked. It's really crooked. Yeah, I couldn't find all my tools for the rivets, but all you see inside is gonna be those two little rivets right there, and then that's the finished product. I decided on using a different hat instead of using this one. I'll probably use that one for the final product. So there you go, guys. That's how you can customize hats with leather patches. You know, if you have a laser cutter, you know, this is very easy to make, as you saw on the video. Again, this is 100% leather hide, belly leather hide, and you can, I mean, man, the possibilities are endless. So let me show you what the laser is doing right now. I'm actually cutting more patches because I might turn them into keychains. So there you go. This machine is a beast, man. This is an amazing machine. If you guys, again, if you guys are in the market for a laser, if you guys customize a lot of stuff, if you make keychains, if you make, man, I don't know what you guys make, wallets, you know, anything, you know, this right here makes a lot of sense. So go ahead and check out Camfive, and if you are looking, or if you're in the market for a laser engraver or laser cutter, if you check out Camfive, make sure you use promo code liberty01 and you'll get a discount on your purchase of a laser or laser consumables, laser tubes, lenses, whatever you guys need. Make sure you use promo code liberty01 and you'll get a discount. So okay, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. It was a pleasure. Make sure you subscribe and you ding the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. I'm sorry about the noise, but as you can see, the laser is working right now. so you can hear the noise from the extractor. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you share this video. Thank you, and I will catch you on the next one. See you later now.